Okay, hey everybody. Thanks for taking a moment to check out this video. I'm introducing the TBT marketplace. Okay, and so it is a great place for health, wellness, and fitness products. Also, e-business and e-marketing opportunities. Okay, so I am going to leave a link in the description area of this video, and be sure to check out the TBT marketplace. Okay, you might find some great things there that are beneficial to you from a health and wellness standpoint, and also for a home business standpoint as well. But there you have it for this video, and I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye bye now.